Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson we are going to work on the background. The first thing I'm going to do is to use the crop tool and refine the size of the document. I just want to make sure that the ice cream is in the middle of the document. And like this we are good. Now I'll create a new empty layer and this will be our background. I'm going to use the brush tool and change the color to, we will make it something reddish or purple between both of them. I'll try to find the color and then you can use the final code that comes up. Okay, I'll increase the size of the brush, make it very big. This size is good. Okay, now increase the opacity. And we need to bring down this background to be the last layer, like behind everything else. And I will paint just like this on the background. Fill the background with this color. Okay, now we will change the color. I will choose a milk color, something like this, and we will paint this area. So you want to blend these two colors together. I'll change the color again. I'll get it from this area and now bring down the opacity, and now we'll bring back some of this color. I will press I and get the color from this area, press B for the brush and paint. Now we blended these two colors. I'll go to the crop tool just to fix this area because we have the gap between the hand and the background. Now we fixed that, but we have another problem, which is this black things and also these sides of the cloud. We need to remove that. I'm going to select the cloud. Make sure that you select on the layer mask. Go to the brush tool, black color, make the size smaller, and we need to remove these sides. Okay, just like this, removed. And for this side the same. We are going also to remove these black points that we have. I don't know how I got this. Maybe you don't have them, but if you have them, you will remove them like this. Increase the size and make sure that your background is clean and clear. Now I will remove some of the sides from this area, and also I will paint over the cloud to make it more transparent. I'll increase the size of the brush, decrease the opacity and paint over it like this, just to blend it better with everything else. And now the next thing, I'm going to fix the background of the mountain. If we zoom in and see, the mountain selection is not perfect. We have some of the parts that needs to be removed. For example, this area. I will select on the layer mask, choose the brush tool, make the opacity 70 or 60, change the size of the brush, and we can now remove. Make sure that you are using the black color for removal. Do this process carefully, make sure that you are not removing from the mountain itself. Make sure that you are adjusting the size of the brush to remove the areas that you want to remove. We need to remove all of these parts of the sky and the clouds that we have with the mountain. Okay, I think we are good like this. The last thing I'm going to do in this lesson, I'm going to rename my layers. This will be lake. This one will be mountain. This one can be ice cream. This one will be iceberg. Excuse my English, my spelling is very bad. This will be the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, we are going to work on the waterfall. I'll see you there. Bye bye.